Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to HW News English. 2 months after the Lok Sabha elections, the Congress party has demanded the Election Commission of India to come clean on the hike in voter turnout percentage. The party cited a report which said that BJP may have won as many as 79 seats by manipulation. Congress says that this is because of the big difference between the initial and the final voter turnout figures. BJP alone in the Lok Sabha polls secured 240 seats. Congress has now sought clarification from the Election Commission of India and said that the party leadership will decide on how to take this issue forward. VFD, or Vote for Democracy, a Mumbai-based group, conducted a detailed study on the difference in the voter turnout data. The report which Congress is quoting is titled Conduct of Lok Sabha Election 2024. This report is an analysis of vote manipulation and misconduct during voting and counting in the Lok Sabha polls. This report by VFD was released last month. It claims that cumulative hike in votes for all the phases between voter turnout figures and final voter turnout figures is 3.2% to 6.32%. VFD has compared this hike with previous elections. They claim that the voting percentage figures have changed by a minute approximately by 1% only. VFD has called this hike across 15 states and some UTs unacceptable. VFD claimed that when it said that this hike may have affected approximately 79 seats that could have benefited the NDA BJP coalition. So where are these 79 seats? VFD says 18 seats in Odisha, 11 in Maharashtra, 10 in West Bengal, 7 in Andhra Pradesh, 6 in Karnataka, 5 each in Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan, 3 each in Haryana, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh and Telangana, 2 in Assam and 1 each in Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat and Kerala. This is what the VFD report has claimed. Let's come now to what Congress is saying now. Congress identified Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha and Bihar where BJP did better than Congress's expectation. Congress has alleged that BJP did better because of this fraud. Congress is now saying that BJP has won 79 seats by this manipulation.
फिर एक और आंकड़ा इलेक्शन कमीशन ने दिया जो खुद वो आंकड़े का जवाब ही इलेक्शन कमीशन की इस पूरी प्रक्रिया पर सवाल खड़ा करता है। इलेक्शन कमीशन ने 2019 के बारे में बताया कि तब भी कुछ फेजेस में हम लोग देरी से डेटा दे पाए थे, ठीक है, लेकिन उस समय जो डेटा इन्होंने 7 बजे तक दिया था अलग अलग फेजेस का और अंत में जो डेटा आया था उसमें 1 से भी कम का अंतर था, लेस देन 1% डिफरेंस था। चलिए 1% का डिफरेंस हो सकता है, 7 बजे के बाद पोल पड़ा हो, कहीं खबरें नहीं आई हो, कहीं इंटरनेट नहीं चल रहा हो, लेकिन जब 5 साल में टेक्नोलॉजी आगे बढ़ जाती है, देश विकास के रास्ते पे माना जाता है, चढ़ता चला जा रहा है, हम पहले गुरु थे या विश्व गुरु हो गए हैं, तब 1% से 6% हम लोग और नीचे गिर जाते हैं। ये सवाल न केवल इलेक्शन कमीशन पे पड़ता है बल्कि पूरी प्रक्रिया पे पड़ता है। और दुर्भाग्य की बात यह है कि इलेक्शन कमीशन ने बार बार जब उनको इन आंकड़ों को उनके सामने रखा गया तो उन्होंने इस बात को ठीक नहीं माना कि वो किसी भी तरह इसमें कोई जवाबदेही बनाए। ठीक है, वो संवैधानिक संस्था है, लेकिन जब संवैधानिक संस्था के काम इस देश की जमहूरियत और लोकतंत्र पर सीधा सीधा असर करते हैं और लोगों के अंतर में ये बड़ा सवाल आता है, तो मुझे लगता है इलेक्शन कमीशन की ये जिम्मेवारी बनती है कि इस पर वो अपनी बात या अपना पक्ष रखें।
Now they want Election Commission of India to take this VFD report seriously as its accountability and image are under question. They further said that if Election Commission of India does not respond to this VFD report, then it raises serious questions. Back in May, when Congress had raised these issues, Election Commission of India had responded. It has said that there is always time lag in reporting estimated data on poll day. Voters continue to vote even after 6 p.m. in long queues and can be verified by actual close of poll time recorded. Well, VFD is not alone. Poll watchdog Association for Democratic Reforms ADR claimed that there was a discrepancy in the number of votes polled and votes counted. The difference which ADR has put out is of nearly 5.5 lakh votes. ADR claims that these 5.5 lakh votes appear to not have been counted despite being recorded in EVMs. Moreover, ADR claims that around 35,000 more votes were counted than recorded by EVMs in 176 seats. The Election Commission of India has not responded to any of these claims so far. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.